So PSV 1, Arsenal 7. Yes, magnificent 7. 6 different goal scorers. Calafiori finishing like a prime Michael Owen. Trossardinho, Ethan. Oh my days. We absolutely chefed them. The captain scored twice. Travella pass for the Calafiori goal. Declan Rice's best game for the club. Timber. Oh my days. What a performance. Best 2 players on the pitch. However, Real Madrid did win. Hashtag pray for Madrid. Make sure you sub to Southern Guna. Link in the title. Matty, what are you saying?
Brother, we were cooking tonight, brother. We were cooking tonight. Do you hear me, Lee Gunner? Do you hear me, Lee Gunner?
I hear you loud and proud, my guy.
Tonight. Where has that been at for the last 3 years? Where's that been at right there, brother? Brother, that's what I'm talking about right there, man.
Shackles were off tonight, mate.
Shackles were completely off, man. They were making out like a bandit. They were heading down the interstate, brother, with about 20 police officers behind them. They just going, just rolling. And that's what I like to see, brother. Finally, Mikel said, let's just play. Let's just go out there and just see what we can do. Let's just go forward. Let's just go forward. We're not worried about passing backwards. We're not about going sideways and circling around and U-shaped football. Let's just go out there and just let it all hang out. And that's what they did tonight, Lee. And that's why they got the results that they did tonight. Nobody, no matter what you're hearing tonight, there were no top gooners running around here talking about we putting up 6, 7, 5, even 3 goals tonight. We walked out of that with 7 solid goals tonight, brother. Declan Rice, stand up, be kind, my friend. What a performance. Clearly, you were listening to Kenny Ken on yesterday. Clearly, he heard everything Kenny said yesterday.
He's had enough. He said, "Yeah, what? Say what? Kenny?
Yeah. So
I don't care if you're 6 foot tall and 6 foot wide, bruv. Yeah. Guess what? I'm gonna show you."
So he went out and did what he was supposed to do. You know, Timber.
Oh, it was insane.
He was
against his rivals as well.
I was just going to say he had something personal that he had tonight. He was out there with something personal, you know. So he went out and performed as well. And you know, we had a few wobbles there early in the first half, and they I guess they saw how quick this game could turn, and they turned it up and said, no. We're gonna go ahead and try to get this over with. We're not even gonna leave it to chance. And I am thrilled and elated that they got this tie over with in the first game. I couldn't ask for a better result. Now let's hold our horses, because I'm seeing a lot of people say, "Oh, we ready for Madrid," and let's
pray for Madrid.
We still got a lot of problems in it, and my thing is just that what upsets me the most, and I told all of this during the broadcast, is just the fact that I want people to see where we are, and if we just had what we needed, how big of a difference it could be. I mean, that's the fine margins that we're talking about here. But, I'm not going to rain on the parade tonight. I'm going to simply say this. I do have one request of Mikel Arteta going forward. Calafiori needs to be going forward as the number 1 striker.
Yeah, bro, I said this with Kenny and Jez and on the watch along as well. Bro, this guy can't defend. Yeah. Luke de Jong, if that's Erling Haaland, that's 3-2 right in halftime.
Yeah.
That's 3-2. The guy missed an open header, bro. Open goal. Yeah. As good as he is going forward, bro, we've heard this story before with Zinchenko. I thought he played all right when he came on. Yeah, I thought Tierney done all right when he came on. I thought he got his sub spot on today. Yeah. But at the same time, it's like, bro, this guy, why are you utilizing this guy as a left back, inverting into midfield, that runs off into the right wing position, that then finishes like Michael Owen? Why
Yeah.
are we playing him left back? Just put him
Well-
up front, or is it
well-
number 8 or number 10?
Bro, where did Gareth Bale start out at, man? I'm not comparing him to Gareth Bale. I'm not saying.
But this is where a competent manager and a good manager will
Yeah,
say,
there you go. There you go. That's exactly what I'm saying, Lee. 100%. This is why I said he would look at that. And I mean, he's got about 3 or 4 games where he's done it, where you can look and go, "Hey, man, that's finishes. That's not
that
the
City
typical
goal. That, mate, that City goal is one of the
Yeah.
best goals we've seen Arsenal score all season.
Yeah,
Slapped it.
he's had several
Girona
goals.
offside goal. Slapped it through the
That
keeper's
that
legs.
tonight, Lee, I'm telling you, that tonight
Cold finish.
was a striker's goal because he placed it. He placed that
Yeah,
ball.
and that's on his weak foot.
Yeah, that was on purpose.
So this is where a competent manager like Fergie, like Arsene, yeah, like any Ancelotti, Jose, they'll go no. And you think, what the hell? Do you remember when we used to play Man United, yeah? Right, and Fergie would do some random shit and play somebody randomly in midfield against us when they're a centre back, yeah, or they'll play a right winger as a striker or false nine. This is where this manager now needs to do that. He did that with taking Skelly off. We said it on the broadcast. We said, yo, get him off. If he's got anything about him, he gets Skelly out of there real quick because he caught life.
Yeah.
He did it. Fair play to him. So, again, he's learning on the job, Matt. Yeah. And this is why we didn't want him in the first place. Tonight, fantastic. We're celebrating, we're buzzing. Yeah. At the same time, this is the same guy that we don't believe is going to get over the line in the next round because we're through. Let's not forget we're through. When it comes to the nitty gritty against 2 seasoned vets of the game that have won major honors at the highest level,
that's where the question marks start to happen, Lee. And this is why I tell people, hold your horses, because when you get to this next stage that we're getting to, it's all about fine margins. All about fine margins. And even if we would have just by some miracle get past the next round, we still got more work to do. You still got a semifinal and you got a final. This is a long way from being done. But we took a positive step forward tonight with a massive win. That should give the boys some form of confidence going into the game against the shit show on this weekend. And hopefully, man, that they learn something about themselves tonight. I told Dan Potts earlier, I said, the boys took account of themselves tonight, and that's exactly what I like to see. I like to see a well professional performance, and that's what we got tonight. 7 goals. Would have never thought we would have scored 7 goals. I just know.
When was the last time we scored 7 fucking goals in a game, bro? 2 offside goals as well, by the way.
You wasn't on YouTube then, and
yeah, I weren't.
No, I think AFTV was probably just starting out. If they were starting out then, that's how long ago it's been. Walcott.
I think Walcott, the 7-3, the hat trick. Yeah, I think that was 12-13 season.
Yeah, so I think
it's 12 years ago, man.
Yeah, that's just why I said, yeah, we hadn't seen that in a long time. I know for a fact I ain't seen 7 goals from Arsenal in a long time.
Everton was what, 05?
Yeah, we had Everton, and then I think we had another one away.
We had Sparta Prague over 2 legs. I think we done them 7.
Somebody in the chat tell me what was the score when we played Everton that year. Nielsen scored that banger, and it was the opening day. We remember that. You remember I think it was.
Yeah, I think that was 7. Yeah, it was because I was in Cornwall. I was on holiday. Do you know how long ago that was? My daughter with my girlfriend that was with at the time. She was pregnant with my daughter. Wow. Yeah, and she's 16 this year.
Yeah,
she's 16 this year, mate.
Yeah, so yeah, that was a very long time.
And we had 2 goals disallowed.
Yeah.
Trossard was obviously, both of them were offside. They were clearly offside. That Rice goal and the Trossard one, he set the goalkeeper on his bum, bro. Yeah. The Rice finish, though, that I feel for me, yeah, like I get onto Declan Rice a lot because I don't really feel like he's lived up to the price tag, but he don't set the price tag. Yeah, but however, he's also played with a foot injury, a toe injury, yeah. Today, he must have heard Kenny Ken yesterday, bro. I swear down.
I mean, clearly he came out today like a man possessed. He played. That's probably his best game of the year. I mean,
best game in an Arsenal shirt.
Yeah, I mean, he was just all over the place, man. He was crossing the ball. I mean, it was whipping the ball in without even thinking about it. It was just every time I looked up, you saw him on the ball. And that's what you want to see, man. That's what you want to see. When you got that kind of price tag, you want to put in those kind of performances. And so hopefully what I want to see going forward is, we do the business against United. next week, the guys, you know, if you're gonna play some guys, play them, treat it just like a preseason game. You play them about 20 minutes or whatever, pull everybody, get everybody ready for Chelsea. We get out of Chelsea, and hopefully everybody's healthy, and we get ready for Madrid. So let's just.
How's your that going, by the way? Even Madrid, because we see the quality of their goals tonight. Both teams.
I tell you exactly what I see. I tell you exactly how I see it going. I see it going just like Bayern Munich. Might be cagey the first leg because we're at home. We made 1-0, 0-0, whatever, and I think they probably pull away once we get to their ground, because that's going to be a different type of atmosphere going there in a quarterfinal. Well, what was it, semifinals then? So when I was quarterfinal,
that's course.
So then you go in there in the quarterfinal. That's big game stuff. But we've seen it done before. However, he's not playing for us now. So I would love to get him.
Ooh, she done a sage. Ooh,
we just arrange something for him to just stay up top. Just get him on a 1-day contract and just get him to stay up top to get a goal.
But we could do with him, man. I swear. But listen, shout your channel out, mate. Always love, bro.
Yeah, good stuff tonight, man. Great win. Just remember, you know, we just don't have enough tools to get us over the line. But hey, I'm not gonna complain, man. Great win tonight. You can find me here on YouTube, Southern Gooner. And Lee, we'll be back this weekend getting ready for Manchester United.
So yeah, that's gonna be long.
Hopefully we come out and do the same thing we did tonight.
Oh yeah, embarrassing, bro. I've seen us lose 6-1.
I reckon
I've seen us lose 8-2.
If we
got slapped them fucking 7-1.
Watch this. If we slam them like that, Amarin will be out the next day. Here we go.
Oh, 100%. Bro, I think that Peter Bosz is getting sacked by lunchtime, bro. Yeah, that's it. You see the fans walking out. Man wiped his foot on the flipping concrete before bro, he's getting sacked in the morning.
That's
an embarrassment.
You might get sacked tonight because they ball the league and then you ball the Champions League. So yeah,
he's bottled the cup as well.
Yeah, so
to go ahead Eagles, then lost to him in the league.
Go ahead Eagles, bro.
That sounds like a US MLS team.
They does.
Go ahead Eagles. It's an MLS team, bro. I can't believe it. Listen, make sure you sub to Matty, man. We'll do this again. Love, brother. Always. We're out. Yo.
Frying pan.